Let's solve for x in this expression. So let's first make sure that both the left hand side and the right hand side have the same base. Now we can express 9 in base 3 and we can express 27 in terms of 3. So this will give 3 power 2, that is 9. Then we have this power already here, we keep it there, we multiply it by this, and this is the same thing as 3 power 3. Then we have 2x minus 1. Now let's expand the bracket so that we have 3 power 2x plus 2, and this will give 3 power 6x minus 3. Now that we have the same thing on both sides, then we can equate the power. The let's equate the powers of the left hand side and the right hand side so that we have 2x plus 2 to be equal to 6x minus 3. Now let's collect the like terms. That will give 6x minus 2x to be equal to um 6x minus that will give 2 plus 3, because if 2x comes here it becomes negative 2, and if negative 3 comes here it becomes positive 3. So now we have 6x minus 2x, that will be 4x equals 5. That means x will be equal to 5 over 4. And then we can leave this in mixed fraction so that x will be equal to one whole number 1/4. So this is the answer to this question. If you have any question, click on the link in the description and I will help you out with the solution.